Traffic in Asia, you probably know, is insane, and in particularly in Vietnam, it's very chaotic. Let's take a look how we are getting around in Ho Chi Minh City. Hey, good morning, this is Alex. Welcome back, and today is my first day at Ho Chi Minh City. And like I said, I want to go backpacking from north to south of Vietnam. And unfortunately, the best way to get around Vietnam is still riding those mopeds. I'm lucky because I have my friend here. He's gonna teach me how to ride a moped. This is Vo. Say hi, Vo.
Hey.
Hey. So he's my high school friend, and he actually brought his moped over here. And let's take a look if we can pull it off. We are now in the ferry that takes us to the beach Can Gio, which is an hour away from Ho Chi Minh City. The reason why I'm going there today is because it's way too hot within the city. If it is the first time that you are in Ho Chi Minh City, you're gonna get shocked by the heat wave. So it's easier for your first day to go out to the beach where the temperature is a little bit cooler. And the second reason is once I go over the ferry, the traffic there is a lot less than in the city. It's easier for me to start up learning how to ride a moped over there. And the third one, of course, you want to get fresh seafood at a much better price. So we're gonna feast on the seafood at Can Gio. Let's take a look. Okay, now we're gonna have my first ride, an hour to Can Gio Beach, okay? So, first time on a moped. Thầy Vũ, chỉ đi thầy Vũ. Sao?
Rồi,
Sao mở ra?
Rồi, đầu tiên nhấn cái nút đó. Rồi nó hiện lên chìa khóa đúng không? Lúc này là đang ở tình trạng on. Rồi, bây giờ buông nó ra. Rồi, mình đi để. Đó, đèn bên trái,
Okay. After a while, we start the engine. Okay, let's see. Oh man.
Bây giờ tay quá, cầm cái phía tay gãy ngang thôi.
Okay, let's go. Hey. Đây, cái Vũ đẩy ra trước được rồi Vũ. Finally, we are here safely, kinda. It's really hot today, about 36, 37 degrees. And I'm gonna guess waiting for seafood right now. So I'll be back. Alright, that is lobster, cooked lobsters, and all the like scallop maybe. And that is crab legs. Wow. So many fresh seafood. That is a shrimp that I wanted to try. It's different than the shrimp that we see. It's kind of different than the shrimp that we normally see, but those are shrimp. And next to it are lobsters. Wow, all fresh. You can see they're still like alive. And I'm gonna take you guys like a quick tour around. There's a lot of them, but oh, on the left side there's all cooked, like cooked lobster, crab. But let's go see around before we order. Yo, this is huge. I have never seen this much fresh seafood like everywhere. They sell you by the kilograms, and this fresh seafood you can pay for about $1 or $2. They're gonna cook it for you on the spot. And on the left side, these are already cooked. I don't usually buy these. I prefer to have like a completely fresh, and they cook it on spot for us. So let's take a look at a few more things. Look at that. Like right now we're trying to look for like one vendor that's selling everything. Look at the shrimp. So we probably like order like 4 or 5 dishes, and we try to look for one vendor that has everything. Oh shit, oyster, we're gonna order that. Okay, I think we're gonna order from here. Lại bự này hả? Ủa sao nhiều lại vậy?
Nhiều, có mấy con khổng lồ luôn, không thấy chưa? Con dài cái này.
Oh wow, there are so many lobsters in here. We are probably not going to get any lobsters, but I kind of want to know how much are they selling them for?
Là bao nhiêu?
Tôm hùm nhiêu 1 ký? 1 triệu 1 ký.
1
ký vậy được mấy con? 3 con.
Damn, that is pretty good deal for the lobsters. But we are not planning to eat any lobster today. We want to get some scallops, other seashells, and the shrimps. So maybe for next time. And that one is scallop, and we are going to get 2 kilograms of scallop, 4.5 pounds. And I think it costs 120k, which is $6. And this is grilled oyster. We're gonna get 20 of these. Whoa, look at all of these oysters. Damn. We ordering oysters.
With cheese and onion, green onion.
Cheese and green onions. I think the grilled onion Saute is 5K, which is 25 cents. And this the one which is 30 cents for each. And in total, cái này mua hết nhiêu vậy?
101.
110K, which is $5.50 for all of this. Oyster Day.
It's expensive than the other days.
Nói lại coi. Mày nói gì đó?
It's expensive than the other days because today is the ceremony.
So it's holiday, so Phụng said, this is Phụng and she said it's more expensive. Phoenix.
It's never finished.
She said it's more expensive because today is holiday. So don't come in the holiday, guys.
Cho em một tặng đi.
Can Gio.
Ồ, nhìn vậy hả?
Có thịt bò lon.
Thì phần như phần nghe không?
Yo, this is second round.
Thì gọi là cái gì?
Ốc hương, I don't know, seashells, snails, scallop. Cái này phải scallop không?
No.
Sò dương, right? Sò dương with like barbecue with like saute, onion, sò điệp là scallop đúng rồi. Scallop. I don't know what it is, but
Garlic.
my friend don't eat this shrimp, so I just order one for myself. Yeah.
Để bỏ vỏ.
And all of that together is $26. 25. It's good. Now this one is as big as my notebook. Oh, you just pour it out.
Đây là bàn tay luôn.
I did some of the sauce.
Bữa ăn ở gì đường Công Đảng không ta? Là nhiêu? 30.000 con. Này nhiêu con? Này à?
Tí hả?
Này tí nhiêu con? Tí này bao nhiêu con?
150.
150.
Bữa hết rồi.
6 con 2 thì
Nửa ký là 75.000 à.
75.000 trăm gọi đi. 75. 75 chia 6 đi. 12 cái đó. 12.000 con. Bữa anh với em ăn chắc là 13.000 con.
Còn nhỏ xíu.
Còn nhỏ xíu à.
Này bự á.
Cái con 220 còn bự hơn một tí nữa. 220. Cái này bự thường quán người ta cắt ra.
That one is like super chewy. It has a dry octopus.
Bữa ăn ngót tỏi thôi.
Really chewy, really good.
Cái quán mua con tu hải đông quá.
This is not scallop.
Nếu mà mua loại nướng rồi á thì sợ nó mất tươi, không ngon. Nên phải mua loại chưa nướng, người ta hấp sơ thôi mà mới đem ra nướng.
Anh biết câu không vậy?
Nó chắc chắn rồi.
Nó chắc sẵn rồi.
Nhưng mà vẫn khó.
Còn tôi thấy cái đuôi. Còn một cái hương vị. Rồi ăn con quái vật rồi.
Ăn từ từ vô. Rồi vậy đi.
Đi đại miếng mé đi. Anh ơi, ôi, lên ly nước miếng. I actually really like this one. It's a lot more chewy than the normal shrimp, and like when you eat like fresh seafood, it's really chewy. And not really chicken because chicken is tender. It's not chewy. This one is really chewy, which I really like. Probably like the way it swims, you see like when it was alive, like they swim this way, right? So the meat, I don't know why, it's like really tender. I really like it. This is the best one. Ra đi múa à? Nhảy không?
Alright, after finished eating at the Can Gio beach, we are heading home. On the way home, we stopped by the rest stop that they are selling nipa palm. These big chunks, they are nipa palms. So nipa palm, they are similar to coconut, but they just grow near next to the water, and the water, the juice is really sweet. That's very special. I love it. Dạ chào cô.
Quay chặt.
Dạ. Thôi con lâu rồi không thấy dừa nước. Rồi một chùm vậy là mình tách ra nhiều trái. Ủa trong đó có nước không vậy?
Có non có nước, còn không có non thì nó không có nước. Lấy nước mấy cái non.
Hả? Ăn gì nước luôn?
Cũng như cái hoài non á, con chặt con lấy nước.
Ồ.
Còn cái thì nó hút nước. Lấy mấy hoài non nó có nước.
Vậy là nếu mà không có cái thì nó sẽ có nước.
Còn có nước là nó hút cái vô.
Ồ.
Nó khô hết. Có ruột nhiều quá là khô hết, còn con không có ruột mới có nước, thấy không?
Hey, so this is the Nipa coconut. Let's take a look. So this is the pulp that we saw them chop off in the back. Hey, let's try this. It's crunchy, and it's crunchy in the inside, and outside is like really chewy. More chewy than the normal coconut. It's more like a young coconut. Sweet, a little bit overly sweet, but I really like it because I love sweet. So I'm gonna finish this. Alright, I'm gonna chill here for a little bit before heading back to the city. And this is my first day in Ho Chi Minh City, and I think this is a pretty good trip. We spent $40 for food and split between 4 people, probably only $10 for each. It's like dirt cheap. And in terms of driving, at the end of the trip, I'm able to operate a motorbike, and I'm not sure if I'm able to drive in in a city where the traffic is insane yet. I'll update with you guys. And other than that, if you have any questions about traveling or you have any question about Can Gio, just leave me a comment down there. I'll respond to all your questions. Peace out.